What is up, guys? This is the 179 Bob Killer, and today we are going to be exploring some more caves in Sons of the Forest. I found the stun baton as I was walking over here. Allow me to open up my inventory. I can show you real quick as everything slowly loads in. There we go. So there you go, I got this lovely little stun baton, which is pretty cool. It was just kind of standing, not standing, but those, propped up in these little skulls right here. Also, Kelvin, for some reason, decided to follow me. I don't know why, but he's here. Some nice aloe vera right here, we'll pick that up. I actually don't know the exact entrance of this cave. Actually, it looks like on the mini-map it's over here. My audio, for some reason, is still a little buggy. So we're just gonna have to deal with that. I might turn it off if it gets too crazy. So it looks like the cave's right here. Oh boy, you know what? Yeah. Alright, so this cave is boarded up. We gotta break through. Wonderful, wonderful. We can put that away. We can take out our lighter. There's some food on the ground. Pretty cool. What's that? Raw meat collected. Oh, interesting. More raw meat. And some cloth. Very nice, very nice. More cloth. And more raw meat. Well, I don't have the supplies to make a campfire. So I don't think I'm going to be cooking that raw meat, but it is just perfectly fine. We can just keep it here, I guess. So I know that there is a lot of big bads in this cave, so I do want to try turning the audio on. Let's see, is it going to freak out? Okay, the audio appears to be fine right now. I guess we can just make our way down here. I like those like little balls on the tech armor, which is kind of weird. We got some bones. That's lovely. We can make some more bone armor then. Let's see, I don't see anyone. Oh wait, I think I see a couple guys standing, so I'm gonna go stealth mode. Yeah. There's a guy standing right in front of us. I'm not sure if y'all can see him. He's looking at us, I think. Oh, it looks like if you just crouch, we can just walk right by these dudes. But I kind of want to fight them. Is he dead? Oh, he is dead. Wow, so that worked pretty pretty easily. That was pretty cool. I guess go to the next guy then. See if we can do the same thing. I see two of them over here, kind of walking towards each other. So there's 3 guys here. Is that what it is? Is there anyone over here this way? Nah. The lighter lights up quite a bit of space here. I like that. Some MRE. What's this? Batteries. Oh. That's not good. I should have stayed crouching. Oh. There we go. Die. You imbecile. Dude, this guy was freaking... He's dead. He's dead. Okay. Where's the third guy at? Okay, there's a guy... Oh, what the hell? Whoa! I missed. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's off over there. I got him. Oh, man. That's right, that's right. He's still alive. Get down, dude. You're not allowed to get up. Alright. Harvest this man. Get his armor. And the guy who is over here, harvest his armor as well. Nice. Glitching into the side of the wall there. I'm pretty sure I'm running on low graphics. Even running on low graphics, this game still looks amazing. So, yeah, we'll take it. Some wires. Ammunition. Got more of these. Need that. There's a cross. Interesting. So we can turn the light off, it looks like. Duct tape. And other things. Okay, break this. Okay. There we go. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Is there a path down this way? No. It's just like a little dead end, I guess. I've never fought the Fingers monster before, but I have a feeling that there's going to be a Fingers monster somewhere in this cave. So that'll be fun. Okay, so this is just the dude chilling there. Is there a way for me to kind of like navigate without alerting him so I can sneak up on him and stealth kill this man? It looks like there is. Look how ugly this guy looks. You ugly. Yeah, tased him right in his ass. Never knew what happened. He never knew what hit him. So we got a lot of creepy armor. I don't know if the tech armor is better than creepy armor, but I don't know. When I get low on armor, I'll pick that up. Oh, what's this? Can I read this? It's so like hard to read. Maybe if I stand in the light. Yeah, there we go, there we go. FOI, this is what we're looking for. That doesn't look like an, I don't know, it looks like some, almost like a sponge in something. I don't know. The game says I'm tired as well. Maybe I should quickly set up my little tarp and sleep. I might want to do that. Save and sleep. Is there anything else around here that I should pick up? Well, it seems like I'm all good. So, yeah, I'll set up my tarp. We'll save and sleep. And, you know, when it spawns in. I've noticed this. It's been taking like 30 seconds to spawn in all my crap. There we go. Oof. Let's put that down there. We can put away the tarp. And then, whoa, what the... Where the hell did you come from? Where did this guy even come from? What the heck? I'm so confused. I swear I walked through the entire room. Am I gonna look back at the recording and be like, no, there's a guy like right there, but I just couldn't see him. That was so weird. Oh, we're frozen, but we're moving. Okay, here we go. Wonderful, look at that. So now we can do our old save. And sleep. There we go. And let's continue. I guess I will go up. Oh, unless that guy probably ran from here. If people spawned here. What is that? What the... What is this? Can I go near it? Will it attack me? No. Oh, never mind. It did something weird to me. It was not chill. Turn that off. Well, that's weird. Time bombs. Well, clearly the game wants me to throw a time bomb at it. So, here goes nothing. Whew. Well, that thing is done now. I wonder where the other time bomb went that was chilling. Yeah, it's right there. Let's pull open our little thing again. Okay, so that was interesting. Guess we gotta go through that. Are we gonna meet our first fingers boy soon? I don't know. I'm a little nervous. I might be a little jumpy. I have a bow and arrows. You know, maybe I'll start crafting some stuff. Alright, there's more guys over here. Oh, I see him. I sees him. I see two of them. That's right. Die, you fool. Oh, the other guy does not like me doing this. Oh, I stood up. Did he see me? Oh, hello, hello, hello. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of you. Hey. Hi. Ouch. Ow, stop hitting me. Oh my gosh, they are dogpiling me. Oh. There's so many of them. Back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Oh my gosh, he was breaking through my armor. So that tech armor was pretty strong, because, wow. The tech armor was holding for quite a while, and then these guys just flat out ripped through my bone armor. So bone armor is not super strong. That's good to know. Oh, come on, come on, die, die. You're bloody. Yeah, he's... Oh, whoa, no way. Oh, I flat out tried to stab him and it didn't work. There we go. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Get down, you fool. Get down, you fool. Fingers. Oh, I killed it. Well, that was my first fingers encounter, and the thing looks scary as hell when it comes out. Man, I love this game. That's what I love about like the forest and this game. It's like it has some genuinely creepy things to it that look awesome. Where's that guy that I killed earlier? Here he is. I've been getting so much creepy armor from these guys too. This is very nice. Get some rope, more of those. I haven't been using... Oh, what's this? So, it looks like there's a dead guy here, right? Like, can I put this away? Yeah. Yeah, there's some dead guys here. It looks like they got killed by the cannibals trying to set up the lights. I hear more movement. Is there going to be, like, another one of the fingers or something? Also, the fingers, like, started spraying some crap when he died. That was kind of weird. Oh, there's an MRE. Look at that. Hey, Mr. Fingers? Oh, did that... Oh, he's pissed. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh, this is hard to aim. Looks like it lags a little bit too. Do I even reload ever with this gun? Is he like chill? These guys are bullet sponges. Okay, no, now I'm reloading. Yo, dude. Oh, he's dead. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, that took a lot of ammunition. So I don't think I'm gonna use the pistol anymore. Yeah, whoa, what the heck was that? What was that? Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Oh crap, that's the twins. I've heard about them, and they're really strong. That's not cool. Okay, I know they can climb walls. Alright, is that them in front of me? Can I tase these guys? Moment of truth. Nope. I hit them because the blood came out, and they just ran on top of the ceiling. Where the hell did they go? I've completely lost where they went. Light, please. Alright. Babies, I'm about to give you a wonderful, wonderful gift. There you go. Burn. Anyone else? Who else wants to burn? You do. Alright, they only got one. Oh, I hear the twins. What? That is such a weird noise that they make. I don't even know where... Oh, there they are. There they are. You know... Oh, okay. Oh. Run away. I'm retreating. Look at him. Oh, he's charging at me. He's charging at me. What should I pull out? I don't even know. I'm gonna, like, pull something out. I guess I'll just pull out the baton. Look at him. Yeah, you know what? This is a good reason to use the pistol, actually. Where'd he go? Where the hell is he? He's right there. I don't know if there's like a weak point I should be shooting at. Oh, I have to manually reload. That's... I don't even know how much ammo I have left. This baby's just chilling here. Dude, get... Oh my gosh, get away from me, dude. Only in the forest can you just shoot a baby in the face. Ah. Dude, these guys do not die in one hit. The babies in the forest were super weak, but these guys are flat out taking a lot. Oh, is he dead? Oh, good. He freaking died from that. Alright. I'm gonna bring out the baton to finish off these babies then. Oh, freaking die. Alright, he's dead. I am almost out of, these guys have creepy armor for me? Yeah, they do. Where's the other baby? I hear it. I'm almost out of stamina, and I need to drink something, and I need to sleep again, I guess. That's kind of annoying. Oh, no way, I parried that. Alright, that baby's dead. Let's cut me some creepy armor. I might honestly set up a save tent, sleep, and then call this an episode. Alright, and I will see you all in the next episode. Please leave a I can't speak. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, I'll see you all next time.